tiny apartments deserve giant screens. Optoma ML1080UST Photon Go, honest reality.
You're sitting on a 55-inch television in 2025, paying $2,200 for it, while your buddy in the exact same apartment size is watching 100 inches every night and still has floor space left. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Tell me you haven't looked at your living room wall and thought, there has to be a cheat code. Your living room is suffocating under the tyranny of normal television sizes and ceiling mounts you'll never install. But what if control was actually simple? What if you could put a 100-inch theater anywhere tonight with zero tools and zero regret? Keep watching, because I'm about to hand you the keys and ruin televisions for you forever. Then I plugged in the Optoma ML1080UST Photon Go and everything got stupidly quiet. Triple RGB lasers lit up my wall with colors so saturated I actually paused Netflix to check if my eyes were broken. 100 inches from 8 inches away. No shadows, no ceiling mount, no drama. Real Netflix certification, not that sideloading garbage. Disney Plus in actual 1080p high dynamic range without a Fire Stick dangling like a sad Christmas ornament. Built-in 20-watt stereo that legitimately sounds good. Autofocus, auto Keystone, Google TV that doesn't make you hate your life. 2:47 a.m., client deadline in 3 hours. I was cooked until I threw this on my office wall, mirrored my MacBook, and finished the pitch on a 120-inch screen while drinking coffee like a psychopath. The room smelled like victory and laser light. And yes, there's one setting nobody talks about that pushes the colors into stupid territory. Bonus at the end.
Here's what actually happens. 2 hours saved every week because you stop fighting mounts and cables. Clarity gained because triple RGB lasers don't lie about color like single laser toys. Performance doubles because clients shut up and listen when your deck is 100 inches. Results that shut rooms up. The guy who tests $50,000 rigs said it has the most accurate color I've seen under $15,000 in portable. A 400,000 subscriber tech creator whispered on stream, "I sold my Samsung Freestyle the same week." Projector Central measured 125% Rec 709, real numbers, not marketing. Apartment Therapy called it the ultimate renter revenge device. And I personally watched my friend set it up in his 400-square-foot studio, hit play on Dune, and we both went silent for 10 straight minutes. Objection, you're thinking, but it's only 1080p. Yeah, and from couch distance, it looks sharper than most 4K televisions because laser doesn't blur like LCD.
This is the one thing thousands message me about daily, the moment they realize they'll never buy another television again. Drop your apartment size below. I bet someone with the exact same space already ditched their television because of this projector. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire life. The Optoma ML1080UST Photon Go isn't a projector. It's the delete button for small screen depression. First link in description. I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. Click it before tonight's movie, and tomorrow morning you'll wake up to a living room that finally feels like yours. I'm already over here watching 100 inches from my coffee table. Your move, legend.